Guys, welcome back. This is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here, and today we are offering our affiliates 25% reoccurring revenue per month. Okay, guys, this is a wonderful opportunity to earn some passive income, and let me show you guys what the STP products are all about and how you guys can earn that money. Okay, so first things first, you want to go to swingtradepros.com, and you want to go to the products page, and you can kind of look here. You can earn 25% recurring revenue with any of the products except for the coaching calls, of course. Okay, so we have the crypto alerts and we have the Swing Trade Pros indicators. So just so you guys know how these services work, okay, the alerts I actually do the alert service. Okay, we also have an unusual activity bot, options bot, so you can guys kind of see that the value here is really there. Okay, so we get one stock alert and one crypto alert per day with a couple options that we also live chat. And then the indicators, we have the buy sell indicators, which are probably our most popular indicator, and it comes with a package of 10 other indicators here: bar counter, auto Fibonacci indicator. You guys can take a look at that. We have YouTube videos about that as well. And then obviously we have some great testimonials about our product. Okay, we got a guy here that just earned his first zero point 0.1 Bitcoin using our bots and our signals. And you guys can kind of check this out here. This guy's overall stats: he's made $30. This was last week. He posted these gains. And so basically, here's the opportunity. Okay, guys. Well, first off, let me just show you guys how to create an STP affiliate account. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go to swingtradepros.com and you want to go to my account. You want to register an account. Once you've registered an account, you'll be able to go to the reports page here. This is how, basically what you can see: how many people clicked on your link, what kind of conversion rate you're having. And then obviously to create your link, on the same tab, you can just click profile and your referral URL is here. You can use this on any of your social media or any ways that you guys want to promote the products. And it's really great. So far, STP, you guys can see these are all of our sales that we've had since we started this. It's only been a few months since we started, basically since like September. Okay, and we're grossing probably around $10,000 since we've started. This is with no marketing. Okay, so make sure you guys check this out. This is a wonderful opportunity for you guys, and make sure you guys also check out our future updates here. We have the Discord link in the bottom. Make sure you guys can be part of the community, find out more about our affiliate program. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys soon.